Hi, this is Caroline from WDB&K, and today we're going to do a minestrone with cow's parsnip. When the sun is shining, wear gloves. It's a chemical reaction from the sunlight, the plant and your skin. Here's a big one. Just take one leaf here and one leaf there, and then you won't damage the plant. I've got here a minestrone mixture. There are different beans, there are lentils, and I soak them in water for about 12 hours. I cook them for about half an hour with baking soda, makes them soften faster. In oil I will roast my vegetables. I drain them. Slightly cooked beans, tomatoes, and water. Here I have my clove buds and laurel and some broth. I let it cook for 20 minutes. For the crunch, I roast some buckwheat. This is Veronica.